Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we are living at the best of times, in the best of days, the best of eras. We are living in the time of the 12th Imam, the time whereby the Imams of the Ahlulbayt and the narrations stress upon truly envisaging that moment that we are in, the time that we are in. Hence they would state that أحب الأعمال إلى الله intidhar al-faraj. The most beloved of acts towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to truly wait for the reappearance, for the advent of the 12th Imam. And they would also state intidhar al-faraj bis-sabr ibadah. To truly wait for the advent of the Imam by being patient is a form of ibadah. Furthermore, they give us an indication of what kind of good brothers and sisters we have and what time and age we are living. Because many of us here today, we state, I wish I lived at the time of the Holy Prophet. I wished I lived at the time of Amir al-Mu'mineen. I wished I lived at the time of Imam Hassan, Imam Hussein alayhim salam. I wish I lived at that time, at that age. However, the Imams themselves state that the good believers, the good mu'mineen, the good mu'minat who live and truly live at the time of the 12th Imam, أفضل من كل زمان. They are the best of people in consideration to all of the previous eras, all of the previous decades and generations. The people who live at this time, the time of the 12th Imam, they are the best of people. How? Because they are living at a time where they do not see the Imam of their time, but they truly believe in the Imam of their time. They truly follow the Imam of their time. And in this time and age, the best of deeds to perform is to wait for the Imam of the time. Is to truly wait, intidhar. Afdalul a'mal is the best of deeds. Brothers and sisters, some of us, we keep saying to each other that we are waiting for the reappearance of the 12th Imam. Let's reverse this understanding. In fact, it could be very well that truly the Imam is waiting for us, waiting to have true believers, true followers, true mu'mineen and mu'minat who truly follow the Imam of their time. How do I prepare? How do I await? How do I wait for the Imam? Let me ask you, and let me ask myself, if someone wishes to arrive, someone who I love so much wishes to arrive to my house, how do I prepare for his arrival? How do I wait for them? How do I prepare for them? Do I not say that now this great beloved person is arriving as my guest and I as his host? Do I not say that now that I'm waiting, I wish to prepare the best for him? Now that we are waiting for the Imam of our time, Imam Sahib al-Asr al-Zaman, let us truly prepare best for his arrival. اللهم عجل لوليك الفرج. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.